Hi, I'm George Virgelis, Director of Sales for Standard Finishing Systems. We'd like to invite you to visit the Standard booth at Graph Expo this September the 11th through the 14th, where we'll have a broad lineup of Horizon and Hunkler feeding and finishing solutions, including perfect binding, saddle stitching, folding, and inserting, geared to both the offset and digital print markets. Several new solutions will be shown for the first time, including 2 complete bookbinding systems from roll to perfect bound book. If you can't make it to Graph Expo, we invite you to visit our new National Demonstration Center here in Andover, Mass, where you'll see all of this and more. Stick around for a tour of our demo center with Trish Witkowski from the Fold Factory. Thanks. Hope to see you in Chicago.
Hey everybody, I'm Trish Witkowski from FoldFactory.com, and I'm in Boston, Mass at Standard Finishing Systems. I'm here to tour their National Demonstration and Training Center, and I can't wait, so let's go. Hi George.
Trish, good morning. Welcome to Standard's Demonstration Center.
Oh, thanks for having me. My gosh, it's beautiful here.
It's wonderful. It's a 9,000 square foot facility that allows us to showcase our complete product line of the Horizon finishing equipment, the Hunkler pre and post, as well as the cast mail inserting products.
Wow. Well, you must host a lot of visitors here then.
This year we're prepared to host in the neighborhood of 75 companies throughout North America for product demonstrations.
Wow. Well, there is so much to see.
Well, let's go take a tour.
Sounds great.
So Trish, we laid out our demonstration floor by product categories. An example, we have saddle stitching, collating, booklet making.
Oh, my favorite over here.
My favorite is the folders. This is our half-size folder. This is our large format, 2943-inch continuous sheet size folder. We probably have somewhere in the neighborhood of 12, 13 different folders in our product line.
So let me ask you something. So I'm a customer. Can I send in a real job and have it processed at your demo facility?
That probably happens with every demonstration, because if somebody's going to make an investment in our product line, they want to see their work.
Right.
As an example, here's a live work that was brought in by one of our customers or prospects. And this is a map that we generated in probably 10 or 15 minutes. That takes them in the neighborhood of 2.5 to 3 hours.
Wow! So it must be amazing to people to see the power of automation.
Automation. As we walk through the demonstration center, what you'll see is every piece of equipment here is automated. Run lengths are getting shorter and shorter, and skill levels are also getting
right. And you really can't burn time on make ready anymore.
You've got to get work in the shop and out of the shop as quickly as you can.
So what's over here?
This is our digital line. It's we have 2 best-in-class manufacturers, the Hunkler product line as well as the Horizon product.
You know, I was actually going to ask you about that, because I was seeing the logos, and I know you're Standard. We've got Hunkler, Horizon. Tell me a little bit about that relationship.
Well, Standard's original roots are more in the traditional offset.
Yeah.
But over the years, the Horizon product line has developed into full automation. Standard brought Hunkler and Horizon engineers together to develop products that would support the digital printing side of ours.
So really those hybrid environments that everybody's looking for these days, a bit of digital, offset, combining them, so you're really using the best of technology to, and also inline, nearline.
Yeah, what you're seeing here are nearline finishing products, folding as well as saddle stitching. However, there could be print engines in line with this as well.
Wow, it's amazing how far the technology's come.
Well,
it really
people
is
are looking for less touch points.
Right. So what's over here?
Well, this is our area that we house our binding line as well as our trimmers.
Well, then I'd like a little tour over there too.
Let's go take a look.
All right.
And Trish, in our perfect binding line, we have binders from single clamp all the way through 17 clamps.
Oh wow.
Our most popular product today is a BQ470. It's a 4-clamp unit.
I've heard about this.
Yeah, it could produce up to about 900 books per hour, but also with some software can have, each book can be a different spine thickness.
Really? Well, I've also heard that the magic with this is in the flexibility from an adhesive standpoint. Am I right?
That's correct. What we have in here right now is a hot melt or an EVA tank. That can be easily converted within 15 to 20 minutes to a PUR tank.
Wow, and this spits out a finished book at the end, right?
The way we have it configured here is that it's connected via a conveyor system into a fully automated 3-knife trimmer.
Wow. So I see a lot of computer screens and other things here. Anything interesting going on with this?
Yeah, here, you know, there's so much today about integrity in creating books or any other documents.
Right.
That's just a cover matching and a book block matching system reading a barcode to the cover. Needs to be complete,
cool.
or the system is rejected and then
Wow.
tracked.
Now, can that system be applied to any of your other equipment, the camera system?
It could be applied to all of the Horizon equipment as well as any other finishing devices or feeding devices.
So you're generating all this data.
Yeah.
How are you managing it?
Glad you asked. Our PXNet system.
Okay.
PXNet system can be a JDF workflow system that can be connected to it,
Which is great.
as be independent as a bindery management system.
Okay, so you're taking this valuable data. What kind of data are we
That's real
gathering?
time. You know, the job is complete, the job is running, the job has been shipped, as well as estimating and scheduling.
Speed, scheduling, everything.
Yeah.
So that's great stuff.
And this works with all of the Horizon product line.
Excellent. Well, where are we going next?
Let's go take a look at the big binder.
Okay.
This is our CABS 6000. It's a computer-aided binding system, producing 6,000 books per hour, fully in line with an automated 3-knife trimmer, as well as a gathering section. Behind us, you see a 12-pocket gatherer, but this can go up to 36.
Really?
The key to this product is its ability to change over very, very quickly.
So what's
book
quickly?
size to book size, under 10 minutes.
Really?
That's incredible.
Help me put it in context. A standard kind of manual setup. What would changeover be?
Comparable binder and number of clamps. This is 17 clamps. It'll take more than an hour.
Really?
To set that up.
Wow. So this is really ideal for short run, different,
Very
lots
high
of
volume,
short run.
Short run work.
Wow.
Very, very quick changeover.
Wow. High tech. I love it.
Also includes both EVA as well as PUR, crash strip applicator, as well as inline stacking.
You guys have thought of everything.
Yeah. One of the products that I want to show you is our product that we brought into our line 3 years ago is a mail inserting. Again, mail is very, very hot right now.
Oh, yeah.
Fulfillment. So we saw a need. Just as the rest of the product line, this is the ability to do very, very quick changeover.
I love it. So, have I seen everything?
Well, we have a lot of different accessories that complement the rest of the product line. In addition to that, we have, if you look around the perimeter of this demonstration floor, we have 7 training centers. We get a lot of people in here from the print manufacturing side of it, our dealers for technical training, operators to get enhanced operation training on our product line, as well as customer technical support people. So it's a very busy, active training center as well as a demonstration
center. Well, I know my tour's kind of over, but I'm not really ready to leave.
Well, folder lady, let's go play with the folders.
I love it. Music to my ears. Let's go.
Great.
Say it.
What do you want me to say?
You gotta say it. I won't leave.
All right. My name is George Rugelis from Standard Finishing, and I am a folding fanatic. I love it.